Tables are actually made up of several different components, and we'll see here as we go a table being created. So we have a table, and on that we might have a caption that provides the title or the key concept that the table conveys. So we see the table element. Inside of that we have the caption. You can see it rendered here above the table itself. We also have the notion of a header. So we add the T head element, and you can see here highlighted that that includes the headers for the various columns that you're representing in your table. We also have the body, and the body is where we're going to represent the data itself. This is the various cells, the rows and columns where our data is going to be visible. And finally we have the footer, represented with a T foot, and that's usually a single row. This is where we can call out totals, averages, those sorts of bits of information that we want to appear at the bottom of the table. And one thing you'll note in the markup is that the head and the foot actually come before the body. The head's not so surprising, but the foot actually comes before the body for a reason. In the specification, it's laid out that if you have lots and lots of rows, it's possible for clients, browsers in our case, to take that table and render it at a particular size, showing the header and footer and allowing you to do things like scroll through or page through the data. So it's important that the footer comes before the body so that the client knows how to render the head and foot without having to process all of the elements that are in the body.